Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to Classy Mom. So I'm actually gonna start off this morning with my coffee. I have my Starbucks little cup here that I'm gonna put my unsweetened black bold and smooth Stoke cold brew coffee. This is the best coffee that I like to have in the morning. Between coffee and between tea is what I'm going to be drinking. So this is my coffee, and then I'm going to try the zero sugar peppermint mocha coffee mate, and for 1 tablespoon of this is actually 1 point. So my coffee today is going to be considered 1 point, just because I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of the peppermint zero sugar peppermint mocha coffee mate into my coffee. And then I'm going to do the 0 calorie zero sugar caramel skinny syrup. I got this from TJ Maxx. It's so good. You don't need a lot of this. And then I don't know why, I just like to put like my pumpkin spice whipped cream on top of my coffee. I don't know why. I don't have to, but for 1 teaspoon, for half a teaspoon, it's 0 points. If you want to do 1 teaspoon, it's 1 point. So I might do it, I might not. I'm not for sure. If not, then you're looking at my 1 point coffee that I'm going to have on this morning. I'm just going to drink that, and then I'm going to probably, because right now I'm going to show you guys the time. It's 7:45 a.m. And so I'm probably going to just have my coffee and then probably try to eat some salads or something, like maybe around 8:30ish, 9 o'clock. But for right now, it's just going to be my coffee. So here's my 1 point coffee. And like I said, the only reason why it's 1 point is because of the coffee mate that I'm using. So as you, hopefully, let me see if you guys can see this. So here's my breakfast, and my coffee mate made it 1 point. So this is what I'm just starting off right now in the morning. And I'm going to be drinking my water. So here's my water that I'm going to be drinking. One of these is 24 ounces, and so I'm going to try to drink at least about 3 of these today to give me like 9 cups of water. It may be even more, but I'm going to just start off with just drinking this, drinking my coffee this morning, and then try to put some solid in my body no later than like around 8:30, 9 o'clock. I do take vitamins and my medication and everything, and so I'm going to actually take that once I take my start eating my food, and then I'll let you guys see what vitamins that I do take, because I do take vitamins as well. All right, see you guys for lunch. I mean, sorry, see you guys later on for breakfast. All right, what's up, you guys? So it is like now, let me show you guys the time. It is 8:51, and I'm gonna start my cooking for my salad for my breakfast. So let me show you guys what I'm going to be cooking for breakfast this morning. So I'm going to have one of these, they're called Joseph Black Oat Brand and Whole Wheat Pita Bread. I got this from Walmart. It's 6 pitas. It's 60 calorie per pita, as you guys can see that. So for one of these for breakfast is 1 point. And then I boiled up like a couple of eggs. I'm gonna have 2 of these this morning. Not for sure. I may eat egg white and then keep one of the egg. I'm not for sure. But I have an avocado that I'm going to eat, and on the plan that I'm on, avocado is 0 points. So I'm going to eat this avocado. I'm going to saute up some tomatoes and some spinach over here. My spinach right here. And then I'm going to eat some leftover ham that I have for Thanksgiving. So this is 2 ounces. So for 2 ounces is 2 points. So and then I'm going to use some of the table blend dash. So for my whole breakfast that I'm going to be eating is a 3-point breakfast. And remember, I had my coffee, which was 1 point just because of the coffee creamer. So this is 3 points, which right here, as you can see on the phone, it says, come on, focus. So my breakfast total is 4, and that's because of the coffee and then what I'm getting ready to eat now. So it still leaves me with, let's see how many points. It still leaves me with 20 points for the rest of the day, so I can have snacks and dinner and everything. And so this is what I'm going to be eating. Now I wanted to talk about my vitamins. So I am taking the Care of vitamins. I know you guys have heard about this. I am not, this is not a sponsor, but I just wanted to let you guys know which vitamins that I take or whatever. And if you go onto their site, it's www.careof.com. It actually gives you an assessment that you have to take, and then they provide you with all of the vitamins that you need to take in your body, for your body, that you have told them about. And then they have like, you know, it gives you these little individual packet, and then on them it says your name, and then it gives you like a riddle or something like a fun fact that you can read if you will focus. I don't know why it's not focusing. Let's see. Are you guys gonna focus? Yeah, so I give you like a today's quote. So this quote is, "If opportunity does not build a door," by Milton Berlin. And then they have my 6 pills in here, which is vitamins that I take every day. And then the other thing that I take every day, just to keep my gut doing nice, is the Gali's, the apple cider vinegar. So I do have this for my vitamins and supplements every day. This is, again, the disclaimer that this is not a sponsor. They're not sponsoring this, but I just wanted to let you guys know some of the vitamins and things that I take to keep my body. And of course, I am also taking my medications that I have to take. Okay, so I'm gonna cook up my breakfast, and then I'll let you guys see what it looked like afterwards.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset.
Okay, you guys, here's my breakfast. This is my 3-point breakfast. I have my 2 boiled eggs. I have my avocado, my ham, tomatoes, and my spinach. So this is 3-point, and my pita bread that's up under there. I also continue to drink my water, and then I am drinking a cup of tea. In my tea every day, I put the Vital Protein with collagen in here. This helps me out, you know, being the age 45. Your joints is a little painful, but it also just helps me. And I had a bad car accident a couple of years ago and had arthritis set up in my thumb. And so with me taking the collagen, it helps with my arthritis. It helps with my knee pain, as well as my hair, my nails, my skin, you know, and it's perfect. This is not a disclaimer. Let me give you my disclaimer. This is not being sponsored by Vital Protein, but I do want to show you guys the vitamins and stuff that I put in my body on a daily basis. So this is one thing that I do use as far as you know, every day to put into my body. But yeah, overall this is what I'm going to be eating, and I can't wait to dig into this. Okay, you guys, so it is currently, show you the time, it is currently 1:24 p.m. and I am not hungry. Okay, I showed you guys my last meal that I had this morning with the eggs and the flatbread, and I'm still full from that, but I know that I'm trying to eat to just stay on track with this weight loss. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to have for lunch today. So I'm going to eat a half a cup of blueberries, because with me being a diabetic, my fruits is being counted for. I don't get 0-point fruits like I used to. So I'm going to eat a half a cup of blueberries, which is 1 point for a half a cup of blueberries. And then I'm going to have my Slim Fast Keto Milkshake. This mess is good, okay? Shake for 2 scoops. It is 8 points, but I'm only going to do 1 scoop, which put me at 4 points. And so with my meal replacement shake and my blueberry, it's going to be 5 points for my lunch. I know that I'm going to do, I kind of got an ideal of what I'm going to do for dinner, and that'll kind of make up for me to be able to use the rest of my points. But for right now, this is what I'm going to have for lunch. My blueberry, half a cup of blueberries for 1 point, and my 1 scoop of my Slim Fast Keto Milkshake replacement, which is 4 points. So here, you guys, this is my meal for today. Okay, you guys, so here's my shake that I made up that I'm going to be drinking. And then I have my water. This is my second thing of water that I'm drinking. And then I'm going to try to drink 1 more of these today. And then I kind of got an idea of what I'm going to have for lunch, for dinner. But just stay tuned, and then I'll show you guys. But I'm going to go ahead on and drink this shake, eat my blueberries, and finish up this water for today. Hello, you guys. So I hope you guys been enjoying your day. I don't know what this is on my shirt. Ain't no telling. But right now it is currently 5:07, and I am getting ready to start on my dinner for today. So I'm taking a couple of these chicken breasts. These are the skinless, boneless chicken breasts. And I actually cut them in half, which made 4. And I used some of the onions and herbs. Mrs. Dash, are you gonna focus or no? Hold on. There we go. I used the salt-free Dash onions and herb season for my chicken. And then I'm going to cook, cook some jasmine rice that I'm gonna eat with this. And then I'm gonna also put on some green beans, and then I'm gonna put on some asparagus in the oven as well. And then this is gonna be our dinner that we're gonna be eating. So I'm gonna pop this in the air fryer and cook this at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And that's what we're gonna have as far as our protein. I'm gonna cook some jasmine rice, like I said, with some green beans and some asparagus, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So with my asparagus, I just take like some of the olive oil spray, cooking spray, and I just like spray the top of it, and then I add some of my same seasoning on top of it, and then I pop it in the oven and let it cook. And I did cut the ends out of my asparagus, and I just let it cook until you know, the liking that I like the way they taste. I don't like them to be hard. I like them to be soft. So I'm going to put them in the oven, let them cook, and then when they're done, I'll let you guys see what it looks like. So here's my jasmine rice that's cooking in here. Got some green beans over there, and then in the oven I have my asparagus going, and then I have my chicken going in the air fryer, and should have all of this done in the next couple of minutes, and I'll show you what my plate looks like afterwards. Okay, you guys, here you go. This is my 6-point dinner, and it's about 5:43. I'm going to be getting ready to eat like in the next I'll say in the next 7 minutes. I'm going to eat my food, but I have 1 cup of jasmine rice, which was 6 points. So this is why this is a 6 points dinner, because my jasmine rice was 6 points. I have my chicken breast, skinless boneless chicken. I have some asparagus, about 1 cup, and like about 1 cup of green beans. And so this is my 6-point dinner. And I wanted to show you guys, this is my points. So I already used up 15 points. I still have 13, because if you look closely down here, I want to show you guys this. Right here, daily remaining including 4 points added. They added 4 points because of my intakes of vegetables that I ate throughout today. So if you minus that 4 from that 13, it'll leave me with 9 points that I have remaining for today. And look at my weekly remainings. My weekly remainings is 47. I'm still drinking my water. I have one more thing, focus. I have one more thing of water that I have to drink, and it's right here for today. I'm not for sure what I'm gonna do with the remaining of my 9 points, but I may snack on something before I go to bed. But this is my dinner. I'm gonna dive into this. I'm so excited to get ready to eat because it looks so good. Okay, you guys, I'm going to eat my last meal for tonight. It is currently, let's show you the time, 6:57. I'm going to eat about a 1/2 cup of grapes, which is, I think this is 1 point. And then I'm going to eat 1/4 cup of mixed nuts, which is 5 points. It's a small amount for a lot of points, but this is what I'm going to have. This is a 6-point snack that I'm going to be eating tonight. I drank all of my water. I can't even budge anymore. But I'm going to be eating this for snacks, which, let me show you what it leaves me with. So I have 6 points that's remaining. I used 22 daily points. I could use 24, but because of my extra points that was added, it leaves me with 6. So I am, after eating this, I'm done for tonight, and I still have points that I cannot even think to eat because I'm so full. But I'm gonna try to force to eat this and enjoy the rest of my night. So thank you guys for tuning in today with my first vlog of me eating, back on track with my WW personal point plans. Continue to watch because I'm going to continue to put out more and more videos, but this was the first one, and I think I did very good today. Very successful day today with eating and staying on track and drinking my water and all of that good stuff. But do not forget, you guys, to give this video a thumbs up. Continue to watch, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you guys will know when my next video is uploaded. So you can follow me and help me throughout my weight loss journey. But until the next time, peace out. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.